In this tutorial, we are going to see how to position on an element that is covered in the model but not on site. Choose your model from the project list and select the Align with Corner option. Select the floor you're in, and if you're seeing too many options, you should talk to your BIM manager or coordinator to reduce the number of defined building stories. In the floor plan, zoom in on the element you are standing in front of. For this example, we chose a wall corner that is covered on two sides in the model, but not yet on the construction site. Pick an alignment direction represented by the blue arrow. Let your device detect the floor until a purple mesh appears and wait for it to stabilize. Point the red pin, which is always at the center of the screen, to the edge of the corner you selected before. Tap anywhere on the screen to place it, and place the blue arrow along the previously selected direction. Our model has been aligned, but we can't see it perfectly because of the elements that cover it. To fix that, press the element you want to hide and click the eye icon to hide it. We do the same operation with the other wall and with the floor of the model. If you need to make these items visible again, click on the single arrow to restore the last hidden one, or click on the next button to restore all hidden items. We can now check our corner alignment and adjust it manually if needed.